everyone, welcome back to English for Math class. So today I will make a video is about our final assessment in Math Education Student Program in Universitas Pendidikan Ganesha. So before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Nyoman Putri Marhani. My student ID number is 2113011010 and I'm from 5D class. So today I will talk about a topic in mathematics text. It is about apples. Apples? So what is the problem? Okay, a farmer plants apple trees in a square pattern. In order to protect the apple trees against the wind, he plants conifer trees all around the orchard. So here you see a diagram of the situation where you can see the pattern of apple trees and conifer trees for any numbers or n of rows of apple trees. So this is the picture of n is equal to 1, and then this is the picture of n is equal to 2, and then this is the picture of n is equal to 3, and the last is the picture about n is equal to 4. So the question is, we have three questions. So this is the first question, the question 3.1. We must to complete the table of the number of apple trees and number of conifer trees. So what should we do? We can answer the question by Polya's 4 steps of problem solving. So the first step is understand the problem. We must find the number of apple trees and the number of conifer trees for n is equal to 2, 3, 4, and 5 because the n is equal to 1 is already in the table. And then the second step is devise a plan. We must to calculate the number of apple trees and conifer trees which see the picture and get the pattern of apple trees and conifer trees from the picture that already given in the question. So the third step is carry out the plan. We must determine the number of apple trees and conifer trees for n is equal to 2, 3, and 4 from the picture that already given in the question. So this is the picture of n is equal to 2. From that, we can get the number of apple trees is equal to 4, and then the number of conifer trees is equal to 16. Next is the number of apple trees and number of conifer trees for n is equal to 3. This is the picture, so from the picture we can get the number of apple trees is equal to 9, and the number of conifer trees is equal to 24. Next, for n is equal to 4, we can get the number of apple trees is equal to 16, and the number of conifer trees is equal to 32. And the last, how about n is equal to 5? So, because there is no picture for n is equal to 5, we must determine the number of apple trees and conifer trees for n is equal to 5 by find the formula from the number of apple trees and number of conifer trees. So, from n is equal to 1 until 4, we can get the formula of n is equal to 5, or the formula of number of apple trees. First, the formula is n squared, because if n is equal to 1, we get 1, so it equal with 1 squared. And then if n is equal to 2, we get number of apple trees is equal to 4, it seems like 2 squared. And then for n is equal to 3, we can get number of apple trees is equal to 9, it's mean 3 squared. And n is equal for 4, the number of apple trees is 16, and it is same like 4 squared. So from that we can get the formula of number of apple trees is n squared. So from this formula we can get the number of apple trees for n is equal to 5 is equal to 5 squared, and it is equal to 25. And then next, for the number of conifer trees for n is equal to 1, we get number of conifer tree is 8. So from that we know that 8 is same like 8 times 1. And then n is equal to 2, we get 16, it seems like 8 times 2. And then n is equal to 3, we get 24, it seems like 8 times 3. And then n is equal to 4, we get 32, it is same like 8.4. So from that, we get the formula of number of conifer trees is equal to 8 times 9. So we can get the number of conifer trees for n is equal to 5 is equal to 8 times 5 is equal to 40. For the last step is we must to look back for the question, so we get the final table is like this picture. Okay, next we move to the second question. There are two formula you can use to calculate the number of apple trees and number of conifer trees for the pattern described on the previous page. Number of apple trees is equal to n squared and the number of conifer trees is equal to 8n. So where n is the number of rows of apple trees, so there is a value of n for which the number of apple trees equal the number of conifer trees. Please find the value of n and show your method of calculating this. So same like before, we must use the fourth step of Volya's problem solving. The first step is understand the problem. So we must to understand the problem is to find the value of n to make the number of apple trees and conifer trees is same, where n is the number of rows of apple trees. And then the second step is devise a plan. So we must to make an equation for the formula between apple trees and conifer trees, and then solve by factorizing method to find n. So for the third step is carry out the plan. We must to make equation between the formula of apple trees and conifer trees. So the equation is n squared is equal to 8n, and then we must to substitute the two sides, the right side and the left side, by 8n. So we get n squared minus 8n is equal to 0, and then we factorizing them. So we get n times n minus 8 is equal to 0. So from that we get n is equal to 0 or n is equal to 8. From that we can conclude that n is the number of rows of apple trees. So the value of n to make the number of apple trees equal the number of conifer trees is when n is equal to 8. To more good information, we must to look back. We must to substitute n is equal to 8 to the formula of apple trees and conifer trees. So the number of apple trees we get 64, and the number of conifer trees same, we get 64. So n is equal to 8 is the correct answer. So we move to the last question, the question of 3.3. Suppose the farmer wants to make a much larger orchard with many rows of trees. As the farmer makes the orchard bigger, which will increase more quickly, the number of apple trees or the number of conifer trees? Please explain how you found your answer. Okay, we must to use the fourth step. The first step is understand the problem, which will increase more quickly, the number of apple trees or the number of conifer trees. And then we devise a plan. We must determine the function of formula apple trees and conifer trees. And then the third step is carry out the plan. So the number of apple trees is n squared. It means quadratic. And then the number of conifer trees is 8n. So it's mean linear. So we can conclude that when the farmer makes the orchard bigger, the number of apple will increase more quicker than the number of conifer trees. So we must to look back as the last step. Please determine the number of apple trees and conifer trees for n is equal to 11, 12, 13, and etc. to find out that apple trees grow faster than conifer trees. So we get for n is equal to 11, we get the number of apple trees is equal to 121, and then the number of conifer trees is equal to 88. From that we get the number of apple trees is more than number of conifer trees. Same like the n is equal to 12 and 13, that the number of apple trees is more than or greater than number of conifer trees. So from that we can get the conclusion that apple trees correct grow faster than the conifer trees. Okay guys, so that's all about our video today. I'm sorry if I'm wrong when I make this video, and then see you next time. Bye bye.